Side casings off so we can look inside. Now one thing with the ST, they got all the nuts and bolts are lovely stainless steel. They must keep lock washers on, spring washers, because the vibration of the hammers will vibrate the thing loose. Now if you look inside, you'll see a grease nipple point which greases the main end bearing, the big end bearing. Now they're greased in the factory. I always like to fill them up. Well, you can see this is the inside of the big end bearing and the conrod on the machine. So we've now filled it with grease, and I'll put the cover back on and I'll undo the main bearing cover here and show you where the grease point is on that. I do tend to find one little trick is when you've got the grease gun on and you pump a grease pressure in, it's always a pig to get the grease gun off the nipple. You get yourself a little pair of tongs. I'll pull them off with a pair of tongs. It's much easier. Make sure you don't pull it off and then hit yourself in the face, but it'll get the gun off easier. Otherwise, you can danger of stretching out the end of the grease gun. It's the pressure build up inside.